Alright guys, I'm out in the garage working on my Honda CM200. We just got that wheel stand built. Next step is going to be taking out the engine. Now the issue I got into when I was trying to get this thing running was it would idle, but as soon as I hit the throttle, it would not rev up at all. So I found that there was a lot of oil landing on the spark plugs. I know it's either coming from the valves or the rings. So I think it's probably the rings because it was a bunch of oil. So this is a Café Racer project that I'm working on. But before I can get into all the cafe stuff and start modifying the bike and painting it, I really want to get it running and make sure that we're good to go. So we're going to be taking the engine out, putting it on the bench, we're going to take it apart and see what's going on, where this oil's come from. So, alright, let's get started. Alright, real quick, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to remove a master link. You're just going to take a screwdriver, put it right on the end of the chain like that. You're going to take a hammer, I'm going to knock it a couple times. Grab some needle nose pliers and it just pops off. It's got a little hole right there. And it just comes right off the notch. There you go. Alright, well apparently my phone wasn't recording, but anyways, when it's together, that last little piece that goes over the front like this, take your screwdriver in and you wiggle that off, and then chain comes apart. That's it for this video. Engine's out. Next thing I will be doing is taking off the head, doing some inspecting, trying to figure out where the oil is coming from so I can order some parts and get this thing going. I want to say thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and also hit that bell in the bottom right corner so you receive notifications when I have more videos coming. I know this really wasn't a detailed video on how to remove an engine, and I will be putting out more detailed videos as we move along with this bike build. That's it for this video, guys. I will see you next week.